Hello, welcome to English with Anjali channel. And today I'm very excited. I'm very curious to share my love story because I know that each person has a love story, but they don't want to share their love story. But today I'm very excited to share my love story. Okay, so let me tell about my love story. So this story began my school time, and at that time. I was in ninth class and there was a boy. Okay, there was a boy and he was very handsome, very lovely for me, and I love him. He loved me. Okay, so it's complete, but I was very afraid to talk him. Because my class teacher used to say me that you are very lovely girl, you are very simple girl, and that's why I didn't love to break my class teacher belief. So okay, it is complete. That's why we used to talk secretly a little bit every day. And one day I was on the leave because I didn't go to school that day, and I was lying on bed lazily and watching mobile. So suddenly I found a message. He sent me a message, and that message was very crazy for me. I don't love to share that message because this message is very crazy. Okay, so that day after watching that message, I found fear, and I thought that it is wrong for me because every people is think about their relationship and their secret thing, they feel fear. Okay, but tomorrow I would go to school, so I found together a lot of people, as you know, teacher and girls and boys and everyone on the prayer. So that time he was very crazy, and he gave me front of every people, teacher and girls, boys, and he gave me a flower and he said me, you are my everything and I love you a lot. So suddenly, crazily, I said him, bridle your tongue and I am not your word. Okay, got it. And because he was very crazy and he didn't give me secretly and he gave me front of every people. So that time break up my friendship, but after that day I didn't make any friend because I thought that it is not correct our career and it is not good our career. So it is all about me, and it happened me when I was in at ninth class. So how did you find after watching this story? It is all about me. And if you are feeling bad about your relationship, about any boyfriend, girlfriend, so please break up over there just because it destroy your career. And if you focus on, because if you focus on your career, so you will be very good in your future and you find a good boyfriend, you find a good your work life partner. So it is all about me. And how did you find after watching that video? Great, have you a good day. Great.